Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about polygons and coordinate plane. How can we graph the polygon and coordinate plane, and how can we find the length of each side? How can we find the perimeter and the area? In question number 1 we need to graph the polygon. So we have the point A, 2 and 8. Number 1, I need to draw the coordinates. As we know that we have two coordinates, the vertical and the horizontal. For the horizontal one is called the x-axis, and for the vertical will be the y-axis. Each point represents an ordered pair which is x and y. For the point A, 2 and 8, just moving 2 units to the right and going up 8 units. So that would be the coordinate of the point A. The second point, which is B, 7 and 8, moving to the right 7 and going up 8. So that would be the point B. C, 7 and 5, moving to the right 7 and going up 5. So that would be the point C. D, 2 and 5. Going to the right 2 and moving up 5. That would be the coordinate of the point D. Now we need to graph the polygon. After drawing, you will find that the polygon will be a rectangle. We need to find the length of each side. We can find the length of AB by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 units. Now BC by counting it will be 3 units. CD also will be equals 5 because it's opposite to AB, and AD is opposite to BC, which is equal to 3. To find the perimeter of the rectangle equal length plus width multiplied by 2, which is 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2. The answer will be equal to 16 units. In question number 2, we need to graph the polygon. A is equal to 2 and 1. Moving to the right 2 and going up 1. So that would be the point A. B, 2 and 5, going to the right 2 and going up 5. So that would be the point B. C, 4 and 5, going to the right 4 and going up 5. So that would be the point C. D, 4 and 1, going to the right 4 and going up 1. So that would be the coordinate of the point D. Now we need to graph the polygon. After graphing, you will find that the polygon will be a rectangle. BC equals 2 units, because we just have 2. CD will be equals 4 units. Just by counting, you will find that will be 4. Now DA will be equals 2. BA also will be equals 4 because it's opposite to CD. To find the perimeter will be equals to length plus width multiplied by 2, which is 4 plus 2 multiplied by 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. So the answer now will be 12 units. In question number 3, we need to graph the points. E is 3 and 6, going to the right 3 and going up to 6. That will be the point E. F, 3 and 8, going to the right 3 and going up 8. That is the point F. G is 7 and 8, going to the right 7 and going up 8. So that will be the point G. H is the point 7 and 6, going to the right 7 and going up 6. So that will be the point H. Now we need to graph. You will find that FE equal GH equal 2 units, and FG equal EH equals 4 units. So we can find the perimeter by adding length and width multiplied by 2, which is 4 plus 2 multiplied by 2. You will find that the answer would be equals to 12 units. In this part of the lesson, we need to find the area of each figure. In question 14, we have figure formed from 2 shapes, a trapezoid and rectangle. So we can find the area of the trapezoid, then find the area of the rectangle, then add them. The area of the trapezoid equals to the height divided by 2 multiplied by base 1 plus base 2. The height now of the trapezoid equals 2, and the base 1 equal to 3. Base 2 equals 4. Now we can find the area of the trapezoid. The area of the trapezoid equals half multiplied by the height, which equals 2, times base 1 plus base 2, which is 3 plus 4. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 7 squared units. Now we need to find the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle equal length multiplied by width. The length now is equals to 5 units, and the length is equals to 2 units. So it will be equals 5 multiplied by 2, which equals to 10. Now we can find the area of the shape. To find the area, we need to add the 2 numbers. So 7 plus 10, which equals to 17. So to find the area of any two composite figure, just find the area of the first one, the area of the second one, then you can add them. In question number 15, we have a parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram equals to the length of the base multiplied by the corresponding height. The base now is equal to 3 units, and the height is equal to 2 units. So it will be equal 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6 squared units. In question number 20, we need to graph the figure, then find the length of each side, then find the area. The point A is 2 and 5, going to the right 2 and going up 5, and that will be the point A. The point B, 2 and 8, going to the right 2 and going up 8. C is equal 5 and 8, going to the right 5 and going up 8. You will find that the shape that we have, which is a triangle. To find the area of the triangle, all what we have to do, we need to find the length of the base and the length of the height. The length of the base is equal to 3 units, and the length of the height also equal to 3 units. So to find the area now will be equals to half multiplied by the length of the base multiplied by the length of the height. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equals 4.5 squared units. In question number 21, we need to graph and find the area. The point A is 3 and 3, going to the right 3 and going up 3. That's the point A. The point B, 3 and 6, going to the right 3 and going up 6. That's the coordinate of the point B. C, 5 and 6, going to the right 5 and going up 6. D is 8 and 3, going to the right 8 and going up 3. You will find that the shape that we have will be trapezoid. We can find the area of the trapezoid by finding the length of the two parallel bases and the height. Base 1 will be equals 2 units. Base 2 will be equals to 5 units. By counting, you will find that will be 2. The height, which is AB, will be equal to 3. To find the area will be equal to half multiplied by the length of the height multiplied by base 1 plus base 2. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 10.5 squared unit. And that's how can we graph the coordinate of any point, find the length of a line segment, find the perimeter, and find the area.